Anti-aging food. Dark chocolate. Flavonoids in dark chocolate increase blood flow to the skin, improving hydration and thickness. Offers mild protection against UV rays, which contribute to premature aging. Nuts. Nuts. Almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, and pistachios are all great sources of protein, fiber, and monounsaturated fats, making them outstanding anti-aging foods. Avocados. Avocados are rich in anti-inflammatory fatty acids that help promote soft, smooth skin. They are also packed with essential nutrients that may help prevent the negative effects of aging. Spinach. A leafy green powerhouse, spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants and iron, which are vital for skin health. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and other berries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help protect against cellular damage and inflammation. Broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamins C and K, fiber, potassium, iron, and calcium, all of which are beneficial for skin health.